Welcome to my channel. This is Forex Trade. In this video, I'll be giving you quick market analysis and technical analysis on Euro AUD, and I will also be showing you that strategy that I use that you can also use to make money on daily basis. And if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, please kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share to your friends. This information I'm passing here might be useful to your friend. And also stick to watch this video to an end so that you will not miss an important information. Without wasting time, let's just go into top-down analysis. I used to start with 1 day time frame so that you see what market is doing in 1 day time frame, because that will give you a bigger picture of what the market is doing. So here you can see that this market has coming down. The market has been retracing down till it touched the other block. This is another block that is also serving as demand zone. There is a liquidity, so it has swept liquidities, and there is a reaction on this zone. You can see it. The market is reacting on that zone. So let's just go to 4 hours and confirm if the market has changed character. If the market has changed character, then we will find our exit, where that will be our entry point and our exit point. So looking at here, you see that this market has already given us a change of character. You can see it. This is the previous low. This is the previous low, and market has already swept that previous low, and this is the previous high. This is the previous high, and you can see that the market has already broken it. You can see it. The market has already broken it, showing that the market has reversed. This is the change of character. This is the change of character. You can label this place a change of character because that is what it is. So here is a sweep of liquidity. You can see that the market has swept the people that has pressed back at that zone. Market has swept them. Market has turned over immediately. So where is this market going to? You can see clearly that this market is going back to this supply zone. So here will be our exit target for swing traders. Here will be our exit target for traders. And also there are a lot of liquidities that you can see that the market is moving towards to sweep them. This is a liquidity point. This is a liquidity point. So market is moving towards the sweep people that might have placed their end that must have uh, placed their stop loss at that zone. Like the previous people that sold along the line, they must have put their stop loss along the zone. So market is going back to sweep them out. So let's just go down to 1 hour and find where our entry will be. Let's find where our entry will be. Like I said before, this is a sweep. Market has swept liquidity and it has reversed and made a change of character. And also, there's another liquidity sweep here. There's another liquidity sweep here. Market swept. People that must have put their stop loss here. People that must have bought here. People that bought here and put their stop loss below this candlestick. The market came down, swept them out, then and move up immediately. So that shows you that this point, there's a valid point of interest here. And also, these are demand zone here. It also caused a break of structure. You can see it. This is the previous higher high before market made a higher low to sweep liquidity. So here is the break of structure, and market has actually come back to it, and market has already broken it and is about to retest. Is about to retest. So here is a break of structure, And whenever you see a POI like this, let me mark out the POI. This zone, this is where we have our previous demand zone. So market will actually retest back to this zone to buy again, because this is where the investors bought last. So we are going to position ourselves here to buy again when market comes at this zone. When markets come back at this zone, we will buy again, but with confirmation. We're going to buy with 15 minutes confirmation. Once we see a change of character in 15 minutes at this zone, we will be buying from here. We might not be targeting too much. We'll not be targeting too much. We'll be targeting just this 100 pips above here. That's actually what we will be targeting, because there is still a tendency that this market might do something like this. That this market might move down here, react a bit, come up a bit, then pick us from here and give us a buy to zone to TP. And also the next thing you might see is this market reacting any at this zone, reacting at this zone, coming down here to pick order at this demand zone to move up to this supply zone that is above here. So something like this might happen. So that's why we will not be holding this position for a long time. We are not going to hold this position for a long time. We will just target this higher high. We're going to target this higher high. Once market reaches there, we exit the market and wait again and see what the market is doing so that we can enter again.